Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Jeep Renegade oil light. First, make sure all your vehicle's doors are securely closed. Next, confirm your gear selector is in the park position. It's important not to press the brake pedal for these initial steps. This simple preparation ensures the reset procedure can be performed correctly and safely. Now, turn your ignition to the on or RUN position. Do not start the engine. If you have a push-button start, press it twice without touching the brake. Then, slowly and fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times. Make sure to complete all 3 presses within a 10-second time frame for the system to register the input. After completing the pedal sequence, turn your ignition back to the OFF or lock position. Now, start your vehicle as you normally would. The oil change required message should no longer appear on your dashboard. If the light remains on, simply repeat the entire process, ensuring each step is followed precisely. Remember, resetting the light only clears the reminder. It doesn't replace an actual oil change. Always ensure your oil has been serviced before performing this reset. For recommended maintenance schedules, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. If the light persists after multiple attempts, a professional mechanic can help diagnose any underlying issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.